Best espresso machines. Are you looking for the best espresso machines? In this video we will look at 5 of the best espresso machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine, BS876BSS, is a high-performance, user-friendly espresso maker designed for coffee enthusiasts who want cafe-quality beverages at home. Featuring a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, this machine combines modern aesthetics with durable construction. Equipped with automatic grinding technology, the Barista Express Impress ensures the perfect grind every time. The integrated conical burr grinder adjusts the grind size based on the selected dose, and the grind amount dial lets users fine-tune their preference for more control over the coffee flavor. The machine also offers a digital temperature control, PID, for precise water temperature, ensuring optimal extraction. The Impress feature uses a pressure gauge to guide the user through a consistent and even tamping process, creating the perfect puck for espresso extraction. This results in a creamy, smooth shot of espresso. The 15-bar pump pressure further enhances the extraction process, ensuring rich flavor. The steam wand allows users to froth milk to perfection, whether for cappuccinos, lattes, or other milk-based drinks. Its 360-degree rotation provides flexibility and ease of use when steaming milk or making microfoam for a velvety texture. In addition, the BS876BSS includes a 1.9L water tank, ensuring less frequent refills, and an easy-to-clean removable drip tray and bean hopper. The machine is designed for ease of use, with an intuitive interface and an LCD screen that displays important settings and instructions. Overall, the Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine offers an all-in-one, barista-quality experience for home users, combining high-end features, precision, and simplicity to create delicious espresso drinks with ease. Number 2. Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine is a high-quality espresso maker designed for coffee lovers who seek convenience, precision, and style in their home brewing experience. With its sleek silver finish, this machine adds a modern touch to any kitchen while providing professional-grade espresso capabilities. Equipped with a 50-ounce water reservoir, the Café TS offers ample capacity for multiple cups of espresso or cappuccinos before needing a refill. The machine features an easy-to-use touchscreen interface, allowing users to control all settings effortlessly. The intuitive screen provides a guided brewing experience, making it simple to select the desired strength, coffee volume, and milk texture. The 19-bar pump pressure ensures that espresso is brewed with the perfect balance of flavor, producing rich and full-bodied shots. For those who enjoy milk-based drinks, the automatic milk frother creates creamy, velvety foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos, ensuring consistent results with every use. The Capresso Café TS is designed with advanced technology to maintain optimal brewing temperatures, ensuring that each cup of espresso is extracted at the perfect temperature for maximum flavor. The conical burr grinder is built into the machine, allowing for freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter, further enhancing the espresso's quality. With its self-cleaning feature, maintenance is made easy, as it ensures the machine stays in optimal working condition with minimal effort. The stainless steel construction guarantees durability, while the compact design allows it to fit comfortably in any kitchen space. In summary, the Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine offers an impressive combination of modern design, advanced features, and user-friendly operation, making it an excellent choice for home baristas who want cafe-quality espresso with minimal effort. Number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start ECAM 22080SB is a versatile and user-friendly espresso and coffee machine designed for home baristas who appreciate convenience and quality. With its sleek silver finish, this machine adds a modern, sophisticated touch to any kitchen while offering a range of features for brewing both espresso and milk-based beverages. Equipped with an integrated conical burr grinder, the Magnifica Start ensures freshly ground coffee with every use, enhancing the flavor of each cup. The 12 grind settings allow users to adjust the grind size to their preference, ensuring a personalized coffee experience. The automatic milk frother makes it easy to create creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks, with a simple one-touch operation for hands-free frothing and brewing. The machine features a 15-bar pump pressure to ensure consistent, high-quality espresso extraction with rich crema. The adjustable coffee spout allows for a perfect fit for any cup size, whether you're brewing a small espresso or a larger coffee. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start also comes with an easy-to-use control panel with clear buttons and an intuitive display, allowing users to customize the strength, temperature, and volume of their coffee. For added convenience, the machine includes a removable water tank, 1.8 L, and both the milk container and drip tray are easy to clean, making maintenance simple. Overall, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start espresso and coffee machine offers a high-quality brewing experience with the added convenience of automatic milk frothing, customizable settings, and an integrated grinder. Whether you're a fan of espresso or milk-based beverages, this machine provides consistent performance and great-tasting coffee every time. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine, BS878BTR, in black truffle combines style and functionality, offering a premium home espresso experience. Its sleek black truffle finish adds elegance to any kitchen while providing professional-level features in a compact, user-friendly machine. Equipped with a built-in conical burr grinder, the Barista Pro ensures freshly ground coffee for every cup, preserving the essential oils and flavors. The grinder offers precise control, allowing users to adjust grind size and dose to suit their preferences. With the digital temperature control, PID, the machine maintains an ideal brewing temperature, ensuring consistent and balanced espresso extraction. The 15-bar pump pressure delivers rich, full-bodied espresso, topped with a smooth crema. The integrated steam wand allows for easy milk frothing, perfect for creating creamy lattes, cappuccinos, and microfoam, enhancing the versatility of the machine. It provides a fast, high-pressure steam, delivering silky smooth texture for milk-based drinks. The Breville Barista Pro features a 1.9 L water tank and a 2.5 L drip tray, reducing the need for frequent refills or cleaning. The LCD display provides clear feedback on grind size, shot time, and milk frothing, making it simple for users to monitor and adjust settings while brewing. With a quick heat-up time of 3 seconds, the machine is ready for use in no time, ensuring you can enjoy espresso or milk-based beverages with minimal wait. The Barista Pro is designed for ease of use, offering a convenient, all-in-one solution for espresso enthusiasts, whether you're a beginner or an experienced barista. Overall, the Breville Barista Pro Espresso machine provides consistent, high-quality performance with its built-in grinder, customizable settings, and sleek design, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their home coffee-making experience. Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, BS500 BSS, in brushed stainless steel is a compact yet powerful espresso maker designed for those who want cafe-quality drinks at home without the complexity of larger machines. Its sleek, modern design fits easily into any kitchen, offering both aesthetics and performance in a small package. One of the standout features of the Bambino Plus is its 3-second heat-up time, allowing users to brew espresso almost immediately. This quick warm-up is enabled by thermojet heating technology, which also ensures that water reaches the optimal brewing temperature for consistent, high-quality espresso extraction. The 15-bar pump pressure ensures rich, full-bodied espresso with a smooth crema. The automatic milk frother is another highlight, delivering perfectly textured microfoam with the touch of a button. It allows users to create creamy lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks with ease. The steam wand is easy to use and offers professional-level frothing, allowing for custom milk textures. The Bambino Plus comes with a 1.9L water tank, providing ample capacity for several cups of espresso before needing a refill. The PID temperature control maintains a stable water temperature throughout the brewing process, ensuring optimal extraction every time. The steam wand's automatic cleaning function also simplifies maintenance, ensuring it stays in top condition with minimal effort. In addition, the Bambino Plus is compatible with both ground coffee and ESE pods, offering flexibility in how you brew your coffee. The simple interface with intuitive buttons makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned baristas. Overall, the Breville Bambino Plus delivers professional-level espresso in a compact, user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for home coffee enthusiasts who want high-quality espresso without the bulk of larger machines.